Hello, today we are going to talk about Viagra. Why it is not working for some people. It's a very popular drug. It's very useful also. At times it is not working. Why? If you are taking it in empty stomach, it will be digested quickly and enter into the bloodstream and enter into the penis. It works. But you are taking with a full meal. Viagra will be mixed with meal and digested, enters into the bloodstream after 4 hours. It will not work. Early morning they may have some erection. So don't take Viagra with full meal. It should be taken 3 hours empty stomach, number one. Viagra should be taken just 45 minutes to 1 hour before sex, not like other drugs. Tadalafil and other drugs, you can take it in the afternoon, you can do sex in the night. But Viagra should be taken 45 minutes to 1 hour prior. Not very early. Then another thing, they need mental stimulation. If you are taking Viagra and you are driving a car or doing some work seriously, you may not get an erection. This is a common problem. So whenever you are taking Viagra, after 45 minutes, either you can stimulate your penis or your partner can stimulate, or you can see some erotic pictures, erotic videos. That is very important. These are all the common mistake they do, so it will not work. This Viagra should not be ingested. Number one, those who are having retinitis pigmentosa, a retinal problem, eye retinal problem. Those who are having sickle cell anemia, it's a blood disorder, sickle cell anemia. So some kind of allergic to Viagra. These people, they should not take Viagra. Otherwise, it's a wonderful drug. To start with, they should take 25 mg or 50 mg. If necessary, they can move on to the 100 milligram tablets. Sildenafil is very powerful vasodilator. Patients can get grade 4 erection, very rigid erection. Tadalafil and others, they give grade 3 erection, but Tadalafil action is prolonged 36 hours. But Viagra acts only for 4 hours to 5 hours. It's short acting, it produces hard erection. Tadalafil works 36 hours. Erection is less. So, young people, Tadalafil is good. Elderly people, Sildenafil is good. So, if we use correctly, we understand Viagra and use it properly, it will be very, very successful. Thank you.